Hey, it's me, CC, Celestial Chills. And how are y'all doing today? It's been a month. I miss y'all so much. Today, we have lobster claws, eggs, potatoes, rice, and what else?
Mussels.
Mussels are in the bottom with Blove sauce. It's not a whole bunch of sauce, you guys. I definitely didn't calculate as much butter as I thought I would need. And then, y'all, we got a special guest. So, I'm going to give her a second to introduce herself.
Ooh, I got to do all that? Okay.
Girl.
I'm really nobody important. My name's Osha, and I'm like her best friend.
Y'all, so we have known each other since 6th and 7th grade, respectively.
Yeah.
So we are literally
so
like
06? 07?
Yeah, because Cam was born in 05.
Yeah, and I definitely knew you then.
Same.
So.
No, he was born 06. So,
Oh, yeah,
yep,
it was
06. Yep. Okay. Whatever. First of all, sis ain't good with dates, so it don't matter.
Sis ain't good with dates.
And then somebody that is off camera but is here stuffing her face is my babushka. She over here in the corner. Y'all. Now, this stuff is good. So, Tori is trying Blove sauce for the first time, and so is Osha. Now, they technically had it off camera, like a little bit, but now they getting the full gist with the stuff. Now, look, if y'all don't put that lemon rain on here,
real
they are going to attack y'all in my comments.
Listen, just give me a second.
Pound lemon rain.
So, yes. Is it good?
Is it?
Look at this, you guys. There's 2 whole onions in this. And it is so good.
That I cook personally.
Somebody went to chef school.
No, you didn't say chef school.
What is it called?
Culinary school.
Epic.
I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna let you have it.
We were supposed to talk a lot, y'all, but the way we starved ourselves so we could bring y'all a good video.
Let me tell you. Cause baby, who's been hungry all day? It's me.
And I gotta have my rice. Can y'all taste that ginger in there? Like, when you take a bite of that ginger,
That's what that is. I taste them.
y'all like ginger?
I ain't never had ginger.
I eat ginger.
Never correct that.
Yeah, I have a lot of ginger when I eat sushi. Look at this.
I usually
potato.
don't eat the sushi. I usually don't eat the wasabi or the ginger. I don't know. I just haven't really gone that far.
You can't eat it without it. Tori cannot open these crab legs, y'all. I mean, these lobster claws.
I mean, I haven't attempted to open mine either yet.
I don't know about y'all, but
This is
ooh,
about
I'm
4
about to love it. Whoa. There we go.
Oh, I'm such a hater.
Girl,
be
it's
like
these,
that,
it's
baby.
these
Don't
big
be-
hands.
Do you hear me? Because I wear large gloves. Just saying. You okay over there?
Tori got noodle arms. Remember in middle school when they used to call Keandra noodle arms in volleyball? It was because of the way she served, but she was a damn good server, though.
I got it, then I had to crack
I
with my
didn't know
teeth.
nothing about that. So I'm a
That's kind of embarrassing for me to bring up on live television camera.
television camera.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Look. Oh, yes.
See, you got it.
Oh, I thought this was a shell. It's not.
Y'all, so I've only had lobster once in my life, and that was at Joe's Crab Shack. And I was pissed because it was overcooked.
Oh. I would have made him remake it. I'm sorry. As someone who's worked in the kitchen for years and all that kind of stuff, And I would never serve anybody something that I wouldn't eat.
Exactly.
You know? And I understand you get busy. Like, I get it. I promise you, I've made mistakes. Like, nobody is perfect.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, here we go.
However, take accountability. Fix it. Because I paid for it to be a certain way. Don't offer it to me a way that you can serve it to me.
And I'm like, I'm gonna have a BF. A whole BF, y'all.
A whole. Not a half of one, but a whole.
Y'all, so let me tell you how many hospital blankets I got. Like the white warm ones that they give you.
Wait, that was so random.
Well, because I use them to put on the table.
Oh,
and so
okay, that's why. I'm sorry, my bad.
I was using for it, but clearly I was moving too slow.
No, well, don't wait.
I'm a little confused.
Next, we definitely got to do the lobster tails.
Agreed. What was that other sauce that you did?
The Simply Food by TY's tequila infused sauce.
Yes, I want to try that. I'm trying to get tipsy. Eat. I want to eat tipsy.
It is a little bit of a struggle.
I want to do a nachos. Maybe because I just love nachos. I want to do a nachos.
We should do a no utensils one. Which that seemed to be my life anyway.
I say the only utensils you're using right now, you got blue stuff in your rice.
That's the fabric from this. It's the fabric from my, what's it called?
Oh,
My Rugrat suit. I'm going to eat the fabric.
Oh.
You know, I'm not going to judge, so I'm going
to.
We should do a barbecue one. The barbecue.
For sure.
Ribs.
Tori, you just hungry, ain't you?
I pretty much have really gotten everything that I wanted this week. I got seafood now. That's off the list.
We're so good.
I've been looking forward to this.
This is actually good.
The lemon?
Oh, I got it out of there. Look at that. Woo! Okay, let me shut up.
Wowzers.
I got excited because I got that one piece out of there. I'm so scared to hurt myself.
Not me. I like BDSM.
It must clean.
Mind my business.
Who is that?
Poor baby.
I know. Like, this is supposed to. It be like that sometimes, and I'm not even ashamed, like at all. Because this is a thick shell. Like,
Yeah, lobster shells are really good.
Excuse me.
Lord, this is so good. Tore your mouth hot.
I feel like the water is like.
Good poor baby.
Girl, why I keep looking at the camera like I'm reading comments?
this is not a lot.
You already ate the egg?
2 of them.
I was trying to.
Why am I pinky up? Like, what am I doing?
You bougie.
Yeah, this is true.
You know how she bite and keep it? I'm just trying to see you eat the egg.
Who, me or her?
I mean, it don't matter. I was waiting on both of y'all to eat the egg. I think I
I've
missed
been
both of
eating
y'all.
it.
Yeah, I missed it.
Okay, let me do it one more time just for you. Look, I'm the one that suggested damn potatoes. I ain't ate one yet.
Girl, I've been turning these potatoes up.
I don't want to get too full of potatoes and not be able to eat my meat. You go ahead, sis.
Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Ooh. Y'all mouth. Y'all tore your hair doing. Ooh.
We should do a Cane's one. Like do the tailgate.
Well, baby, I eat the
That's
whole
a lot.
tailgate myself.
Oh, 25 fingers? Man, that's a lot.
25 fingers?
I
It's
get
not
that.
a lot.
I ain't got time.
It goes 25, 50,
50.
75, 100.
Did you used to work at Cane's?
Mm-hmm.
I catch those vibes. Because you said it with so much certainty. Like, I know this. What is it? I feel that. Because I feel that way when people ask me questions about razzoos, pluckers, chilies. Yeah, no, I don't work everywhere.
It's pretty.
You're the jack of all trades. Yeah, I'm the jack of all jobs. Shit.
Oh, so I ain't gonna work too many jobs. I will quit and be unemployed, okay?
I did that once, and I was cool because 401k I had from the job, it was a good amount. So I just kind of lived off that for a couple months. Well, more like 1.5. But I was so damn bored.
Yeah, it do be boring.
And they make you want to go back to work. You're like, okay, let me go.
Let me go and find some.
Then you go get a job and you like, oh, I need to go on leave.
Vacation.
We're gonna wait on him.
Time waits for no man or lobster, okay?
Excuse me, baby. I mean, I guess it would be smart to take this out of my bowl. But I just don't want to.
Yeah, that's why I had put this right.
I don't want to dirty up your stuff.
Literally, I just said these came from the hospital.
I know.
Like, they are made for the purposes of the videos.
I heard you say that.
Well, act like you heard it.
But I'm still trying to.
Y'all, me and Miosha used to walk to school every day. And I would go to her house. And, like, her mom wouldn't let me come in at first. And then she let me come in the living room. And then the kitchen. And then I knew I made it when she let me come in her bedroom. In her mom's bedroom, y'all. I couldn't go upstairs.
Why?
Then,
I don't know.
Then one day.
To this day.
Then one day she just gave me the all clearance pass. Go on upstairs. Okay.
What?
Is this a trap up?
Right? Can I really do this, or you just playing? Is this for play? Or is this for play? I
sure touched him.
My mom was crazy. Like she was cool, but then she was still strict at the same time. The thing about it is, I tell people all the time, I don't know how my mom did it, but I could tell her anything. I never kept anything from my mom. And
I did. Couldn't tell Chantel shit.
Me and my mom had a very close relationship.
Yeah,
but
about as close as
I wouldn't cross her.
Texas and China.
Shut your ass up.
Heaven and hell. Ah! Shit. About as close as 1 is 100.
100 to 1,000.
I love my mama though. I love you, daddy. Y'all used to call my mama daddy growing up. She always kept a short haircut.
Yes, we do. Especially Cam. Oh, he dragged me down. Dragged down, girl. I cannot with Cam.
Girl, we was talking to Cam about how many men was in the house. Now, Cam was the only man in the house. This fool gonna say, oh no, it's 3 men in here, and gonna point at my granny and my mama. She said, Cam, get the hell out of here. Oh my God.
Yeah.
My brother be so damn sarcastic all the time, it be ridiculous. Yeah. Oh my God. Ooh, this was good. You already eating so bad, I'm trying.
First of all, I'm damn near done. I literally got just 2 of these and like 2 mussels left and an egg. So shut it. Any more questions?
What does the fox say?
A whole bunch of shit, actually, if you listen to the song.
Baby, y'all couldn't tell me shit when I played the fox, and what does the fox say?
Good at all.
We had Miss Ortega had us do that, like senior performance.
Not Miss Ortega.
Mm-hmm.
Which one? Oh, shit, never mind. You didn't go to that school with me.
Which one?
Hulsey.
Yeah, no, but I didn't go to that ghetto school.
First of all, you gonna hold it down.
Hold it down.
Shout it.
Spence was everything.
First of all, I went there too, so.
But you still went to Hulsey, so you
first.
You half real.
The audacity of it all.
You started right, finished wrong.
Well, I finished at Spence, so.
Ooh.
What does that say about you? I'm a emo.
This hoe always got something to say. I always got a rebuttal for something. She should have went to law school. But no, she in the kitchen whipping up bricks.
So you know how to make funnel cakes from scratch?
This hoe always... Ooh.
I want some funnel cake. I got it in my phone today. I put it in my phone today.
This bitch say so.
Y'all know what's so funny? People ask me all the time, oh, can you make this?
I'm finna make cupcakes. Shit, I mean, I'm finna go down the list. Really?
I know how to cook.
No, I'm actually non-baked.
What's your favorite thing to cook? And I'm like...
Tori said, no, I'm asking, can she bake?
Or what's your best dish? Like...
The best one is when
everything I'll make.
Out my fucking face.
You know how to make cannolis?
No, I've never made cannolis.
Cannolis.
Kiss my ass.
I've never made cannolis.
Cannolis. I fixed it. Damn. Ooh. But I'm sure I can make it.
Where did that come from?
Well, this bitch gotta go. She ruined my house.
Oh, that scared me.
I'm so sorry.
She knocked the damn cup off the table.
For real. I'm so sorry.
It's because I didn't even see it. That's what's crazy. I didn't. I'm still
and I just knew I was about to get that piece of meat out of there too. I'm so mad.
I was paying attention to her, and all I seen was the cup fall.
This why I don't have people come to my house. I go record at their house, fucking up my shit. Let's fuck up your shit.
That's fine.
We're going to your house next.
Oh.
Keep it in the bowl.
Oh, okay, yeah, there we go. Thank you.
Y'all, I'm sure y'all can hear Augie tap dancing. I'm really trying to find some more shrimp.
Yeah, me too. I was digging down in the bottom of that motherfucker for some shrimp.
It's a crime.
It's just not fair. I be trying to get every piece of meat out. Every piece of meat out of here.
Okay.
And it's just not being nice.
Somebody told me once, they was like, your hands be ashy in your videos. First of all, bitch, I don't want lotion in my sauce.
How dare you? Like,
that was rude.
That was hella rude.
It's okay, because I still love them.
They ain't really paying attention. It's just like them saying, "Oh, your hair was a little bit dry in your video."
Somebody recommended that I do. What's that sauce? Nope. Vegan food. I was like,
vegan food is good. I made vegan pasta the other day. It was really good. I used vegan sausage by Field Roast.
I eat vegan every day, and it's called Oxygen. Oh, shoot.
It's called Oxygen. You said that with a heart feel. Do you hear me?
I've had enough of her shit.
No. I'm gonna try a place though. Excuse me.
Oh, hallelujah! Want me to do it? No, I had no, cause I put the shrimp with my mussel, and the shrimp together.
Jesus be a fish. You okay?
Coming down the wrong side.
Y'all, I literally choked on chicken yesterday. The one thing I love tried to take me out.
I think the commandments.
The one thing I love tried to take me out.
Y'all.
Thou shalt not be taken out by chicken. Like,
but the way I choked on it, it was like.
Was it chicken bone?
No, it was just a boneless chicken piece.
How you choke on boneless chicken, my dear?
I was laughing and somehow it got caught in my throat, y'all, and I was scared.
What was you laughing at?
Something at the gender reveal. And like the way it happened, you know, they say if you choking, like coughing, you okay. Not coughing, bitch, you gonna die. I was not coughing, y'all, and I was so scared because nobody noticed that I was choking. So I'm sitting here like trying to like wiggle it in my throat or something, trying not to push it any further.
Trying not to panic. That's what I'm finna do.
Yes.
You already got anxiety.
Yes. Oh my God, y'all, and I was like. And my eyes just started watering like I was crying.
I can't believe I'm finna die in this house.
Yo! Can you imagine how fucked up that would have been to die at a gender reveal? You guys.
Fucked up somebody's whole gender reveal. The whole thing.
It's like my eyes were watering like, and I'm not talking about like no bullshit. I'm talking about like full-fledged somebody hurt my feelings cry. And I'm just like, oh shit. And I'm crying. And Foster is sitting right across from me. And Foster did not notice shit. And then I was like,
I'm about to die.
Y'all, I finally had squeezed it up enough to get one good coffee, and I was like, oh. And that motherfucking chicken piece came out. And it was like, I was like, oh shit. Whew. Yeah, I just knew that was the end for me. I couldn't, y'all, I was so motherfucking nervous, I couldn't even think to repent, okay? Like, Lord, forgive me for I have seen shit. How the fuck I explain I went out on a piece of chicken?
They gonna say, well, we always knew shit. That was her favorite.
Oh, God damn.
Food to hell.
Took me all the way. But then I trusted her because I took another bite. Alright, y'all. So, pretty much the end of this video, I almost died. Like, big time almost died. What did you think of the sauce?
I thought it was delicious. Like, I've never really had sauce with ginger in it. Because hers doesn't originally have ginger, does it? It does? Oh, okay. Yeah, I've never had a sauce with ginger in it. It was actually really good. I've really never had ginger with anything. Except like actual because this was like pickled ginger. And I've normally had like actual ginger that you have to like grate and all that kind of shit and stuff. But I've never had pickled ginger like with my sushi, nothing. I really, really liked it. It came together really nice. I wasn't sure how everything was going to come together. I knew it was going to be good. And it was. I liked it a lot. As a first time Blove sauce haver, eater, whatever you want to call it.
I don't know if it's because this bitch went to culinary cook school or she watched food shows, but this bitch gave me a whole Gordon Ramsay rundown.
I did.
I'm living for it. Tori, what did you think about it?
Are you not a fan? Like, you can be honest.
Like, I'm trying to retaste it in the words. Hold on.
First, you gonna eat another
This
piece.
girl got
It's cold ass seafood.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's alright. I think I taste too much butter in it. I taste the butter, and I feel like it's missing. Like, I taste the spice, but
I feel like it's just something that ain't.
Yeah, I need some more the flavor to it. Like,
I can kind of feel that a little bit. Like,
yeah,
I taste
good, butter. I
but
taste the butter with
like,
seasoning,
like something. I don't know what it is. It was really good. I liked it.
I went by the goddamn ingredients, so y'all picked it up with Blove. Anyway,
I'm not saying you did anything wrong.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Because she ain't gonna stop. She ain't gonna stop. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share again, and like another post and comment on another post. And of course, if there's something that y'all want to see, you let me know. But until then, it's been TMC. Get it? TMC. Have a good night.